Hello everyone, I am Gurumurthy, Maths teacher, the Optimus Public School, Bhavani. Today we are going to continue our workbook, chapter number 5, Division. Page number 59, worksheet number 5, Building Problem, Solving Skills. Dear kids, in this worksheet we are going to solve problems without numbers. Dear kids, in this worksheet we have some questions. In these questions we are going to solve using some logics. Okay. Question number 1. Meena sold 1 star ticket at the fair and Madhu sold 2 star tickets. How many more tickets did Madhu sell than Meena? That is a question. Dear kids, here this star is nothing but we don't know the number. Okay. Some value. Okay, assume it's 5 tickets. Okay, here assume 5 tickets. So Meena sold 5 tickets and at the fair and Madhu sold 2 star means 2 star. Okay, 1 star 5 ticket means 2 star 10 tickets. Assume Madhu sold 10 tickets. How many more tickets did Madhu sell than Meena? That is our question. Send it. We are going to find the solution. See, here we have some logic. See here, the how many more tickets, this is our keyword. Okay, more tickets did Madhu sell than Meena. Okay, then Meena, that is our keyword. Therefore, we are going to comparison between Meena and Madhu. Therefore, comparison is nothing but subtraction. So, we are going to subtract from Madhu to Meena. Okay. Therefore, we are going to subtract the number of tickets from Madhu to Meena. Okay. Because Madhu sold more tickets. Meena sold less tickets. Isn't it? So, 1 tickets Madhu sold more. Here one is nothing but 5 tickets. I told you know some example. 5 tickets Madhu sold than Meena. Okay. Next, I move on to question number 2. Two players were grouped into one team. How many players were there in each team? That is our question. Two players were grouped into one teams. How many players were there in each team? That is our question. Dear kids, here our keyword is grouped. Okay, we know grouped is nothing but division, isn't it? And one more keywords are there are in each team. That also one more keyword. So therefore we are going to use division or divide. D-I-V-A-D-E, divide. Okay. Dear kids, I move on to next question. In a spelling contest, Adis got star points in the first round and 2 star points in the second round. How many points did he score in all? That is our question. How many points did he score in all? Here this is a keyword. All means you are going to find out the total. Okay. Adis got first 1 star in the first round. Here the number of rounds are 2. Number of rounds are 2. So we are going to add, then only get the number of score in all. Send it. Therefore, you are going to decide here add. Okay, you're going to add. Same way, remaining question you should complete. Dear kids, next I move on to page number 60, worksheet number 6, mixed problem solving. Check Amita test papers. Tick answer she got right and correct the ones she get wrong. I repeat, check Amita's test paper, tick the answer she get right and correct the ones she get wrong. Okay. First question, a book that Anubhav needs cost rupees 340. He has rupees 214. How much more money does he need? The answer already Amita did, rupees 554. Rupees 554. Isn't it? Dear kids, I told you first read the question and understand this answer is correct or wrong. Then decide this answer is correct or wrong. A book that Abhinav needs cost. Okay, needs cost 340. She has, okay, needs cost is 340. She has 214. How much more money does he need? That is the question. Okay, more money means you are going to compare, but she did addition. That is wrong. So this answer is wrong. So you are going to solve this question. Your comparison means nothing but you are going to subtract from 340 minus 214 equal to what? 0 minus 4 is not possible. You are going to regroup from neighbor, that means tens place. Okay, 4 become 3 and this 0 become 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, 3 minus 1 equal to 2. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Isn't it? Therefore, the required cost is rupees 126. Okay. Dear kids, I move on to next question. Nidhi found 6 shells on a day. She was at the beach. She and her brother were at the beach for a week. Her brother found 34 shells in all. How many more shells did Nidhi find? That is question. The answer Amita did. Okay, answer 8 shells. First you are going to check this answer is correct or wrong. Okay. See, for a week means 7 days. Isn't it? For a week means 7 days. So Nidhi found 6 shells on a day. On each day. Okay, on each day. So therefore Nidhi found the total number of shells in a week equal to 7 into 6 equal to 7 6 are 42. Okay. Her brother found 34 shells. Her brother found 34 shells. Okay. The how many more shells? Here more cell means you are going to compare Nidhi's and her brother's cell. Isn't it? Therefore you are going to compare. Compare means you are going to subtract. 42 minus 34 equal to what? Yeah, 2 minus 4 is not possible. You are going to regroup from neighbor, that means tens place. The 4 become 3 and this 2 become 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0. Therefore 8 cell is right. 8 cells are correct. Okay, dear kids, same way should complete page number 60 remaining questions. Thank you. We will see in the next video.